Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the driver's side seat belt. Okay, this one was in an accident. As you can see, we have the airbag off and the module will be replacing it. We have a video how to do that as well guys. And that seat belt is pretty much done. If the vehicle was in an accident, you can see this one is deployed, so you cannot even pull it at all. So stay with us to see how we're going to remove it and how we're going to replace it. First, with a prying tool or a screwdriver guys, you need to get that bottom piece out. Okay, you can see next to the seat right there. So you need to go ahead and pull it out. There is a couple clips on it holding it. Then you need to go to the rear door and do the same procedure as well there. Okay, just like that you need to remove it. It's the same way like the front one. Okay, pulling this one out as well. 3 clips I think on this one. Then you need to start removing that trim piece right there. Again, with the prying tool, there is a couple clips holding it, so you need to apply some pressure. Okay, you can see the one there. There is some wire, so be careful there, and some on the bottom as well. And now you need to go to the front side. Okay, right here, and do the same procedure. You need to pull it out of the seal. Okay, and pull it out. You can see on the bottom there is a clip that holds pretty good there. And once you remove that, you'll be out of the way now, and we can pull it out. You'll come out towards the back easier than the front. Okay, like that. And now we have more access to the seat belt. If you come from this side and scoot the front seat all the way to the front, that's where the seat belt is located now. Now you need to go right here with the prying tool and you need to remove that cap. Okay, just like that there. You can see where the clips are on it, like that. Because there is a bolt underneath it that we'll need to remove right here. Alright guys, what we need to do now, on top right here we have one bolt with 14mm socket that we need to remove. And those are really usually very tight. Okay, so go ahead and remove this one. And now we have on the bottom, okay, right there is one bolt. You can see, and after that there is one down there. Again, all of those are with the 14mm socket, and now there is a 10mm right there that we need to remove as well. And now we should be guys ready to pull it out. Okay, you can see this one here. Okay, now those guys, you need to get a small screwdriver and pull the black piece out. Okay, all the way like that. And now don't twist it, just pull straight up after that. Okay, you grab it and you just pull it straight up. Okay, now there is one on the bottom piece right there, the orange one, that we need to remove that one as well. It's the same procedure. There is one black piece that you need to remove, and once you remove the black piece you can go ahead and pull it out. Okay, and that's the seat belt guys. That's how you remove it. You just put it back together the same way we took it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.